Morning! Morning! Happy Thursday! Happy Thursday, buenos dias! So, all-time high, new all-time high pretty much on everything. What are we gonna trade today? I don't like trading after big gaps, but we'll see. Maybe pullbacks to previous all-time high. If we can get that, that would be beautiful, but I don't know. I don't know if we're gonna have that. How's everyone doing today? I'm dead today. So I have one of my cousins getting married on Sunday, but we got a little family gathering yesterday. We did kind of like a pre-wedding party. It was all day and I'm dead. Between the shots and the sun, this freaking crazy hot weather, I'm dead. I don't even know how I'll wake up today. But dead but happy. Happy for my cousin. Were Nvidia earnings good or just gap up because of the split? The stock split. Ooh, ugly 191 rejection on Apple. So Apple straight down, Google straight up. Nvidia kind of holding. Rejecting pre-market high. If Nvidia can hold, I'm pretty much looking for the same on everything. Basically on Nvidia, SPY in the Q. Either pre-market high break or the fill of this gap, or retest of previous all-time high. So for SPY will be this level here, which is Tuesday and Monday high. If SPY can hold that, I'll be looking to play the upside. Pretty much same thing for the Q. If the Q can hold previous all-time high as support, that will be my entry to play the upside continuation. It's a long one to go. Like on the Q, we still have like $3 down. SPY is very close. It's almost there. 531.50. If SPY can hold 531.50, I'm gonna play the upside. Yeah, it was a really good time. I think it was on Wednesday, so we all have to work next day. Well, not them. they're on vacation right now. I had to work today. So I have family pretty much everywhere in the world, so it was super nice seeing everyone. Oh, hey, welcome. That's like every single Venezuelan that I know. When you come from a country that basically went to shit, you have like family everywhere. Like we all have to leave and look for better opportunities outside of our country. I have a few cousins that I haven't seen in like 6 years. My aunt and uncle for like 6 months. I have another cousin like I haven't seen for like 3 years. Pretty strong pullback on SPY in the queue. So now what I'm seeing is, if SPY holds here, is the queue gonna hold here pretty much in the middle of nowhere? Or is the queue gonna keep going lower and fill the gap and retest previous all-time high? It's kind of tricky because SPY is pretty much right at previous all-time high, and Nvidia is gapping and go. It's doing a gap and go. Microsoft is right at previous all-time high. So my pre-market plan, I was looking to trade Nvidia and Microsoft. Nvidia, it was either for a fill of the gap, which I don't think that's gonna happen, or the break of pre-market high, which already did. The other one was Microsoft, and it was either a retest of previous all-time high or 430. SPY is extremely weak. Hola. And I like this rejection here on the Q, is rejecting the VWAP. But Nvidia is super strong. I don't know. I don't know if I want to go against the bigger trend, which is pretty bullish. Okay, I'm watching Microsoft. Microsoft, I like how it's holding previous all-time high. 433. If I see Microsoft holding 433 and pretty strong, I'm gonna play the upside. Okay, I'm gonna give you a shot here on SPY. I'm gonna go long. My stop loss is gonna be if SPY loses this previous all-time high. It's around 431.40, around there. We have PMI at 9:45. That is no bueno. Apple and Microsoft are crazy weak. And the trade was this rejection here that I was looking before entering this loan, but we'll see. Obviously with PMI anything can happen. If I get a quick bounce here and it goes to 0, I get to 0 like flat or a little bit green, I'm getting out before PMI. And Microsoft holding 431, but Apple is just dead. What's going on with Apple? Nvidia looking pretty bullish, Google holding. Whoa. Okay. Why is this thing not getting me out? Okay, I'm hitting exit. Okay, that was weird. I'm still watching here the same level. Meta is also very, very weak. So the only thing that it's holding is Nvidia. Maybe, yeah, that could move the market. Oh, so we're going for the gap. What a bummer. Because I was between playing this long or playing this reaction. And I decided for the wrong one. And I was early, definitely, because I should have waited for more confirmation that SPY was gonna hold this previous all-time high and the freaking PMI data that I wasn't aware of. So all wrong on the first one. Oh, really? At what time we have Fed speaking today? Okay, so if it's later in the afternoon, don't really affect my trading, but we'll see. I think I missed the trade for today. The trade for today for me was this rejection. That was the entry. Morning. Morning. We're moving down without me. This is an aggressive sell-off. I love to short also. Bearish market, it's my favorite market of all time. But this is not a bearish market, it's a very bullish market. I must say today for me it was a little, I know I always play the gaps, but it was a kind of difficult from the start because I don't I hate, like I always said it, like my worst days are Fridays or days that we have big move pre-market. Like I don't like those days. And most of the time I'm either like small green, flat, or red. I'm red so far, obviously. The other thing was that Nvidia was holding pretty good and SPY and the Q were going lower. Which is still happening. Like Nvidia is looking a little bit weak, but it is still holding. And the other thing is that in a very bullish market, it's kind of difficult, at least for me, to trade against the bigger trend. The max is 10, but why do you want to know what's the max? You're gonna blow up your account playing 10 NQs, 10 NQ contracts. Okay, gap filled on SPY and it's even lower. Thank you. Remember to like the video. Even though I think YouTube makes some changes on the way how we see the video, and it's a little bit more, I think it's a little bit more difficult to find the like video. Like I'm watching my stream and I don't see the like, where to like the video. I don't have it on my screen. It's not at the top or at the bottom. I don't know. Everything's just going down, like straight down. I don't see it. So far, we have no confirmation of a bounce. Oh, we need to close the chat for that. That's gonna make it more difficult. see it now. No, I can. Yeah, I closed the chat and now I can see the likes, which are very low. By the way, for the people that answer no on the little what's poll that I have on the chat, why not? Why not liking the video? It's free entertainment. One day challenge, why? Nobody can help you with that. That is not trading, that is just throwing out your money. Professional haters. By kissing the stream? On the screen? Yeah, that's a little bit weird. I do have a long-term portfolio. It's not really stocks, are just 3 ETF. But I don't really check my long-term. I have it everything that it does by itself. Buy me, reinvest, the dividends, everything. Okay, 530. Let's see if SPY is gonna hold for 530. Let's see if the Q is gonna hold this previous all-time high, or if it's gonna keep going lower and fill the gap. Thank you, Nish. Thank you. This thing looks like it would just want to keep going lower. And Nvidia is having a lot of trouble at the VWAP. It's so funny that I never saw people talking about the gaps before on Desi's group, and then I started playing the gaps, and now everyone talks about the gaps. But that's good, it means you guys are learning from the group. Okay, I like that move. Yeah, definitely. I would have been taking profit. If I had any Nvidia position, I would be like, Nvidia, it's a thousand stock. I'm out. Let me take some profits here. QQ still has a little bit more for the entire gap to fill. SPY already filled the gap. It's trying to hold, but not really. This is looking ugly. Oh, really? Was that in the news? Or just like Twitter talk or X talk? Okay, so we had both data out of our way, and now let's just wait and see if we can play some bounce here for maybe a VWAP retest. What's my risk management? My risk management is knowing what's my level of stop loss. What's my stop loss? That's it. No, I don't. I don't have anything right now. I'm gonna wait a little bit and see if SPY is really gonna hold here. I need my coffee, so I'll be back in like 1 minute. Okay, I'm back. Well, I like this, how it's holding 530. Could be making a bull flag, yeah, a bear flag, but I'm gonna go long here. My stop loss is gonna be this, around this low here. I got coffee and I got something that is really, really bad for you, but I'm obsessed with Doritos. This is no bueno. Don't do it at home. I'm looking for maybe a retest of this level here or the VWAP. I know it's early for this, but Doritos and Oreos are... I cannot say no to those two things. If I have it on my side, I'm gonna eat them. Eating Doritos with your chopstick is such a good hack. Pretty easy to grab and no orange fingers. If Apple keeps it under 189, it's gonna keep going lower. I have 187 as the next support for Apple. Nvidia needs to break this morning high to keep going higher. I like this 430 hold on Microsoft. Yeah, and I'm pretty bullish on buying the Q, especially on the Q if it keeps holding previous all-time high. Coin. Oh yeah, coin looks definitely very, very good. Keeps holding 220. If can hold 226 strong, I will think coin wants to keep going higher based on the bigger time frames, like the daily, the 1 hour. Yeah, I think coin looks pretty good. So you want to see coin holding 226. I will say the VWAP. It's kind of fighting the VWAP right now. If it can break the VWAP, I think, yeah, it's definitely gonna go higher to at least 235, 237. So my plan with this trade is like literally holding as long as I keep holding this support, this low, and looking for the upside continuation based on the bigger time frames. No, I'm not up 30k, I'm down for today. I'm up over 10, 13k, 14, 15k on the position that I'm holding right now, but I'm down so far today. Okay, I'm done with this. Yep, 100 ES contracts. with 20 accounts. So you gotta divide that between 20 accounts. I think 20. Yeah, 20 accounts. Yeah, you guys can see how many contracts I have per account here. This looks like a bear flag here. The Q rejecting the VWAP. SPY couldn't even touch the VWAP. I mean, it's just trading, like being down one day, even 1 week. Like 1 week could definitely like affect you a little bit, but when I get affected by how I'm trading, I just take a few days off. Okay, I'm definitely gonna, looks like I'm gonna get stop out here. We'll see. Well, for me, the trend is bullish. Not today, but the overall trend is bullish. You have daily and weekly bullish. So for me, this is just a pullback to retest previous resistance or supports. Gonna add one more there, and on the first bounce I'm gonna sell that one that I added. If this candle in SPY closes red under this level, I'm getting out. But if it closes red with a wick holding this level, it's still bullish. Hola. Hola, Edwin. So we keep holding this little level here. Okay. Let's see. Keep holding. Nvidia is still holding the VWAP. It's looking like it's flagging. Nvidia looks like it's flagging. 177.50.40 is the support that I see on Google. And 430 is the support that I see on Microsoft. Yeah, so as long as we keep, like, SPY keeps holding here, I'm gonna keep holding this position. I like coin. I like how coin is holding. He's holding the VWAP pretty good, and he's holding support also. Take out this line, so yes, you still can. Yeah, the 90% off ends today on Apex, so you can still buy everything. And then I think they're gonna keep having the 80% off. But if you buy, I think the 250, it's 95% off the 250K account. And if you pass it, you have time to pass it until end of the month to get the $85 lifetime fee for your 250K PAs. They extended to June only on the 250Ks. Nvidia about to break out. The thing is that Nvidia is the only one that I see that is holding. Like the only one that it looks bullish. Everything else is pretty weak. Yeah, that's weird, right? Oh, well, maybe it's just because Nvidia is very strong because of the higher dividends and the stock split. Everyone is so excited to buy Nvidia stocks at 100, which is not technically 100, but we know. Look at Nvidia, Microsoft. Now it's looking pretty good. Kinda messy morning, but I like this hold here on SPY. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult to pass if you're not used to it to trade with bigger size. I passed a few of my 250k accounts in one day and another few in like 3 days. But yeah, I was playing, like I was being very patient with very good like setups. Like I was waiting for like A+ setups and I was pretty much going all in. And on the first push, I sold a bunch and then I just hold the rest for the entire play to play out. I think now the market, like the overall market, looks a little bit better because we have Google at support, we have Nvidia going strong, we have Microsoft at support and it's holding also, and we have obviously a SPY in the queue kind of fighting that support also. SPY around 530 and the queue previous all-time high. We have a little wedge here on SPY. Let's see, it's gonna break out to the upside, hopefully. Crossing fingers. What is the most, like, I would say the most difficult part with trading prop firms? Is it like passing the evals, or is it like holding, no, like keeping your PAs? Or maybe understanding the difference between options and the trading stop loss is not difficult. It means you're playing with too much size. So that's just you being like, if just trading YOLOs. Passing evals, really? Yeah, keeping a PA, I will say it's the most difficult thing. Like, it's the most difficult part of trading with prop firms, because at least for me it's very easy to pass the evals and then being okay with just making $100, but at the end, because I'm trading with 20 accounts, it's like 2K, and being okay with that. Yeah, keeping the PAs, I will say it's for sure the most difficult part of this. But yeah, I think everything about keeping your PAs is understanding that, like, if we have like 20 accounts, making $100 is 2Ks, right? It's 2K. Yeah. So I know it can be difficult because we only see like $100 and it's like, it's only 100, but it's 2Ks, and at the end of the month it's like 40K, even more, like 80. Okay, I'm selling 2 here, keeping 1, at least 1 with the 50Ks. The thing is, like, we don't need to pass in one day. Maybe, like, they say one day to pass. They give you the option to pass from evals to PAs in one day if you want to, but you don't need to. You can take an entire month to pass those evals, so you don't get charged again for that eval, because you get charged monthly. But technically you can take as much as you want to pass your evals. Come on, Spy, go to the VWAP. Just go there. We can still have, like, I can see another play here. So this is what I'm thinking about this play. Okay, this is my whole, like, plan with this play. It was buying here, right? Because 530, it was a resistance before. Now it looks like it's acting as support, and then the overall trend on the market is bullish. So for me, this was just a pullback to retest, to fill the gap and retest any other, like, level, right? And then the plan is to hold as long as it keeps holding this level. And my PT, the first one, is the VWAP, right? So my plan is taking profit at the VWAP, and then I'm gonna wait and see if SPY can really break this little level here, that's previous all-time high, in the VWAP, and then we wait for a break, retest, and we play the upside. That's what I'm thinking here. If we can have that friggin' VWAP retest. But the Q definitely looks like it's, like, doesn't want to break the VWAP, and it's looking like a bear flag. Every time it tests the VWAP, it's rejecting. But if we see the daily is holding previous all-time high, so what's that? That's technically bullish. No, you don't have to put any cash. You just pay for the evaluation account, and then you just pay, and then after you pass your eval, you pay for the PA, and that's it. You don't pay anything else. You don't have to put money on your account, nothing. Oh, China, Taiwan, bad news. So, damn. So we either have data or feds or bad news. Is there any day that we can trade just the charts? No news, no data, no nothing. Yeah, with China and the whole war news, we may go lower. Maybe. I don't know. Again, I don't trade news. I don't care what the news is. I only see how the market reacts, and then I see if those reactions work with my levels. That's it. The other play that I'm looking is this VWAP here break on the Q. If can really break the VWAP and act as support, the Q is gonna boom boom. No, never. Apex doesn't refuse payouts. The only people that say that is because they did something wrong. If you follow the rules, they do not refuse your payouts. I mean, you're using their money, their platform. The only thing that you need to do is just follow their rules. That's it. Come on, Spy, I need you to do something. I need to be somewhere at 12. I don't know, why don't I trade oil or gold or anything else? I don't know. No need to. I like keeping it simple. Also, I don't think oil is like very liquid. I don't like how oil move. There's nothing more liquid than NQ and ES. Yeah, that's why I made my Discord. My Discord is for me to share my pre-market plan and levels. I can show you that. So this is what I post pre-market on my Discord. You guys have what levels I'm looking for SPY and the Q. And if I'm looking to trade any stock, so this is my stocks watch list and the levels that I have for SPY and the Q. That's it. And please, if you want to subscribe to my Discord, read what's included. I have so many people like subscribe and then send me DMs and say like, why I don't see your messages there, because it says very clear, this is not a live trading group. There is no conversations here. No conversations there, only my levels pre-market. That's it. So that way you guys are prepared and know what I'm looking to trade on the stream. I try oil one time, and it was so bad, like so bad how oil moved, that I was like, never again. Just like I tried one time trading futures after the regular market hours. It was so illiquid and so slow. That was like, why people say that futures are open 24/7 when barely move after regular hours. Like, technically it's open 24/7, but you don't want to trade 24/7 futures. Unless you are on, I think on Europe, it move a little bit for them, but I don't think it's worth it. Trading future after the, like, outside the regular hours. Well, for me, everything is about keeping it simple. You guys see, like, I have very simple charts. I don't like using a bunch of tools, a bunch of stuff here. And now I have a bunch of lines here, and it's kind of freaking me out. Like, I kind of want to clean and erase, like, take out all these lines and make new levels, because it have too much stuff for me. And the same thing with trading. I like keeping it simple, trading always the same stuff. It gets to a point that it's kind of like driving every single day from the market to your house, or from, if you have a work, from work to your house. You don't even think about it. You just go, like, I call it zombie zone. Like, you just turn on your car, and then you just drive there and get there. And sometimes you get there and you don't even know how. This is not looking good. I like driving. Whenever I do a road trip, most of the time I'm the one that drive. I like driving. If I have good music, I can drive anywhere. Okay. If the candle closes under my level, yeah, I'm out. Freaking, are you serious? What? Okay. I thought it was gonna like bounce here hard. Spy couldn't even retest the VWAP. Couldn't even like go to the VWAP. Okay, so I think I'm done for today. Red. I might try to change this red for green in the afternoon, but yeah, it's almost 11 and I have a lunch meeting at 12. Refund? No, not right now. Don't. No, not right now. Right now it's way better to buy new accounts. Thank you. Okay, so big level here for the Q. Let's see how. Well, I'm not gonna keep watching this, but watch out how the Q is gonna react after the entire gap fill, because entire gap fill is here. Yesterday's close is the level to watch now on the Q. SPY is a little bit more tricky. Yeah, I will say 529 and then 527.60. So I will say this low here is the next one. I think the Q is a little bit cleaner than SPY. What else? Apple one. I think Apple is gonna go to 187. It looks very weak and rejected 189. So I think, yeah, the next level that I have for Apple is 187 and Google around 176.50. Nvidia, it's kind of a mess. So I don't know. Nvidia is a little bit kind of choppy. I don't love trading earnings runs like the next day. I kind of like to wait for at least one day. I like to wait 1 or 2 days, and then because I like to wait and see what is gonna be the real trend for that stock. So I think for me, Nvidia is a better play. Thursday, next week, Monday. Coin is doing nothing, pretty much. But 120, if he goes, I'm sorry, 220. If he goes under pretty much 2 days, 220, yeah, 220, 220.30 is done. So, but it's a little bit choppy. I think coin is holding very good compared to entire market. Honestly, if I had to trade anything, which would never need to like say I have to trade, but if I want to trade anything, I will just follow SPY and the Q. That's it. I think SPY and the Q are definitely cleaner than any other chart. Oh, we're closed on Monday. Well, on Tuesday. So Tuesday. So what else? Yeah, I think that's it. I'll be here tomorrow. I'll definitely be here tomorrow. So yeah, today is the last day today at 12. It's the last date of the 90% off for all the evals on Apex. 95% off for the 250k account, and you can pass the 250k account till the end of the month to get the $87 one-time fee for your 250k PA. Definitely worth it, worth a try. So this is my plan for the 250s that I got and 250 that I'm looking to pass. So if I can pass 20, if I can get 20 250k evals, I'm gonna try those like a 50k account. So my plan is only trading one, max 2 contracts, like mini contracts, and then just making like 100, maybe 200 daily. And it's gonna take me a little bit more to get the profit that I need to be able to apply for payment, but that way I'm gonna be able to hold those 250k account pretty much forever, because only trading 1 or 2 mini contracts, it's gonna be very difficult for me to blow up those accounts. So yeah, that's my plan, and it's cheaper than the 50k if you can get the 85 one-time fee for your 250k PA. It's cheaper than paying 160 for the 50k. So at least that's my plan. And I'm just gonna apply for full payment for the 50k that I already have, and then let those blow up. I don't care. And only gonna keep trading the 250. If I can pass 20 250 evals. So I already have like 5. No, I have like 12 already, and I'm gonna try to pass the rest and see if I can finally get 20 250, and then I'm just gonna use those 250 like a 50k account, and then just go little by little adding up to my profit until I can apply for the payment on those ones. But that way it's gonna be way more cheaper than paying 105 monthly on each one of my 50k PAs. I know it sounds a little bit confusing, but if you understand how Apex work, it's just easy cake. So yeah, guys, I'll be here tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Remember to like the video. I know, red day, what a bummer, but it is what it is. I had a pretty good week so far until today, but it's just a red day, just one red day. I'm fine with that. So yeah, see you guys mañana.